Crown by English Laundry. Let's smell. Welcome back to Stop and Smell. On a previous video, we smelled English Laundry's Armor and Throne. Let's smell English Laundry Crown. English Laundry Crown is a 2021 release. Top notes: apple, lemon, grapefruit, green leaves, herbal notes, mid notes, lavender, cardamom, aromatic notes, clove, ginger, rose, geranium, base notes, amber, oak moss, musk, patchouli, cedar, tonka bean. Wow, that's a lot of notes. Let's see what we pick up the most. On that same video where we smelled Throne and Armor, JB said, Crown smells good. Let's find out how good it smells. There's your bottle, English Laundry on the cap. All the bottles have the same shape. This one has a pattern and Crown golden letters. Nice distribution. I don't detect a strong alcohol blast. It's a nice opening. It's reminding me of something I already smelled before. You can smell the apple right away. It's fruity, citrusy in the opening. It smells nice. It smells good. Along with that apple in the opening, there is a strong lemon. That lemon is reminding me of Azzaro Wanted. That opening is very citrusy and herbal, but that apple remains sweet. The top is all about that sweet apple, but the lemon is strong as well, and you can detect both of them. Into the mid, it gets spicy with ginger, cardamom, and clove, but I pick up a lot more of that ginger. It's very strong. I also pick up traces of lavender. In the mid, it does remind me more of Azzaro Wanted with that ginger-lemon combination really shining through. The apple is still there. You detect some sweetness. The spices are present with some cardamom and clove, but I do pick up a stronger ginger, lemon, traces of apple remaining. In the dry down, it gets a little earthier and woodier. Throughout the fragrance, there's that sweetness from the apple. In the base, it does warm up a little bit, some amber, some patchouli for some earthiness, but it remains sweet throughout with that apple and lemon surprisingly still there. Since I did bring up Azzaro Wanted, let's smell this one too. Azzaro is similar to Crown, but Azzaro is fresher, cleaner. It still is very sweet. Now that I'm smelling both, Azzaro does have a brighter opening. You do detect that lemon ginger right away. It's very fresh, very clean, but very sweet and strong too. Azzaro Wanted is much sharper. There is a huge resemblance between these two. I wouldn't say that English Laundry Crown is an exact replica or clone of Azzaro Wanted. I would say it's very similar, definitely inspired by it. The ginger lemon mostly. It's in the opening and actually mostly in the mid where Crown shares those similarities with Azzaro Wanted. The dry down for Crown does have that earthiness and woodiness and that sweetness from the apple. I think that's where it departs. It still smells similar, but not as much. English Laundry Crown does switch it up a little bit in the dry down by warming up and becoming sweet woody, but it still smells good. JB said he sprayed 10 to 15 times. I don't know if I would spray this one that much. It does seem pretty strong on the tester strip, so I do want to test it out and wear it and see how long it lasts on me. If you're a fan of Azzaro Wanted, you are definitely going to enjoy Crown because it's similar. Not 100% clone, but very similar. But it tries to do its own thing in the dry down. So far, I do like it. I think all ages could wear this one. It is sweet, so it may appeal to the younger generation, teens, 20s, and it does get a little earthy and woody in the dry down, so it may appeal to 30s and 40s. So I think all ages can wear this. I think it's a casual fragrance. You can probably wear this in the spring and the fall, daytime. You may get away with it summer nights. I don't think it's too cloying, but some people may think it's too sweet. sweet. Like I said, I think it's a nice little fragrance. Not too bad for 13 bucks. English Laundry has some really good fragrances out there. Let me know your thoughts. What's your favorite English Laundry fragrance? Thanks again for joining me. Until next time, enjoy your fragrances.